In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create forms in Godaddy Website Builder. To get started, open your site in the Godaddy Website Builder editor and go to the page where you want the form to appear. This is important because the form will be added directly into that page layout. Once you are on the correct page, move your mouse over the page canvas. As you hover between existing sections, you will see either a plus icon or an Add Section button appear. Click that option to begin inserting a new section into the page. After you click it, a menu will open on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel contains different section categories that you can add to your website. Scroll through the available options until you find the Contact Us category, then select it. This will insert a contact form section onto your page. Using this category is the quickest way to add a ready-made form that is already designed to collect visitor information. Next, click directly on the form section you just added. This opens the form settings panel on the right side. In that panel, look for the Send to field. Here you will enter the email address where form submissions should be delivered. Make sure this is the correct destination because this is where messages from visitors will be sent once the form is live. If this field is not set properly, you may miss incoming submissions. After that, click Form Fields in the Settings panel. This is where you can review and customize the fields included in your form. You can adjust the form so it matches the type of information you want to collect. Take a moment to check that the fields are clear and useful for your visitors. You should also confirm that the submission success message is set the way you want, so people know their message has been sent successfully after they complete the form. Once everything looks good, click Done at the bottom of the settings panel to save your changes. Then go to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. Publishing makes the new form live on your website so visitors can start using it right away. That covers everything you need to know.